How's it going, everybody? It's David and Carrie here from Bunkie Life, and we're so excited to tell you about our newest product. This is the Bunkie Life off-grid hot tub. It's wood-fired, it's completely electricity-free, it's remarkable. A great time for, I don't know, maybe mom and dad after the kids are in bed kind of environment, or just during the day, like a nice sunny day like today, or better yet, during the winter when everybody feels amazing in a hot tub. So let me explain how it works. I'll show you the basic idea, then we're going to jump in and show you some of the interior details. So the whole thing's heated using just a wood-fired stove. The basic idea is that the cold water gets siphoned in through the bottom, down in this tube here, goes through the firebox, heats up, and then goes back in. Completely no pumps needed, everything just works. The firebox itself is just a really simple kind of wood stove. It's included in every kit. Got a little fire going here. It doesn't need a lot of wood to heat up. I found it was quite fast to get up to a nice temperature, and then you've got airflow kind of dampers here that can kind of regulate how much heat you want to kind of keep pumping through once it's up to the temperature. And you can always just add more wood. Compared to like an electric stove that would take a decent amount of time to heat up, this is quite fast. Like I found about an hour. It would heat right up to. And then you just got to kind of fine tune the airflow and the wood to keep it at temperature. Comes with a lid as well. And the hot tub itself is circular. So there's kind of intake and the outtake, and there's like almost like a little seat in there, which we'll show in a minute. It's such a simple, old school technology, beautiful wood finish, and a nice liner inside, and you're good to go. The chimney's included, basically everything's included. It took me literally 5 minutes to set up, which is the best part. 3 or 4 heavy guys, or decent guys or girls can lift it. If you're interested in purchasing one, shoot us an email at www.bunkielife.com, or you can call 1-866-4-BUNKIE and we can hook you up. As of right now, we actually have stuff in stock ready to go for this year. So if you're interested in being in this lovely hot tub in the fall or winter, this is a really great option.